chicken wing.
Simon, don't touch my phone.
That's the best thing that's ever happened.
Never mind. Don't you do that. Absolutely not. No, you stop talking about it. Hey, fuck you.
Fuck you.
Shut the fuck up! Oh, fuck shit. Fucking shit. Fucking hurt.
It's a good boy.
You need to stop your bad language, Saz.
No. You knocked him off. Well, stop. Why do you want to fight? Why do you want to fight?